Easy to load and operate, the V16 is the ideal high-capacity baler, often recommended for supermarkets, service stations, department stores, hotels, manufacturing plants, and logistics centres. The V16 has the footprint of a standard Euro pallet and is suitable for baling a wide range of materials quickly and safely, from cardboard, plastic and textile waste to polystyrene and food waste. The machine is easy to install and easy to use, so machine operators in your organization can be trained quickly and safely. The large fill chamber allows for easy loading, enabling you to bale large amounts of waste in one go. The V16 Baler features low-voltage user controls for added safety. And a baleful indicator helps ensure safe operation at multiple user sites. A compaction force of up to 16 tons enables you to bale large amounts of waste in just 40 seconds. And the added integrated bale kicker allows for safe and convenient bale removal. The heavy-duty door clamp makes light work of easily and securely locking the machine door. LSM e-Power delivers large savings of energy, time and cost, meaning you will compact more waste in fewer cycles. As with all LSM products, the V16 is built for long life, is simple to use, and serviced to the highest quality standard which breeds longevity. LSM Ireland are centrally located in Portlaoise, only 2 hours from most major ports and cities. And remember, you don't always need to put your hand in your pocket for a capital investment. We have flexible rental plans. Call 057 866 0379 to speak to an expert on the LSM range of machines. And see the full range of LSM balers at lsmlimited.com.